Wait, before you scroll, let me show you how to make your videos pop using the same sound effects you've been hearing all over CapCut. You know that hoops, pop, beat drop that makes people stop and watch? Yeah, we're about to turn your edits from meh to wow in just few clicks. So grab your phone, open CapCut, and let's make your next video sound like a pro masterpiece. And
So guys, this is the video that we'll be using for the course of this tutorial. So let's run through it and see
to create realistic
where we'll
voices
start from.
and even you exactly how to use ChatGPT.
So from here, we'll click on our text, allow it to load, then add text, click on add text. Now it's give us then you now type in what you want. So now we'll be using the first word, which is ChatGPT. So we'll be using ChatGPT. You type in your ChatGPT. So this is our template. Then we go to the next, which is the fonts. Fonts, we have so many fonts type. So you choose the one that you prefer. So the one that has standard type is the one that has something on it, while the one without standard types are the ones that are available for free. So we'll be going with the Rubik. I love reusing Rubik a lot. So you click on it, so it's go to the next, which is our style. So we have different type of styles that are available. So you can choose from these options, the ones you prefer. We have the black, we have the arches, we have the white background, we have different backgrounds. So I'll go with this very one and click on it. Then the sizes, you can choose to increase, decrease the size. In fact, everything is available. Anything that you really want is available. So I'll choose that preferred size. So this is the opacity, how you want your words to be brightened, or if you want it to be sharpened. So but I prefer to leave it at 100. So now we'll go to the next, which is effects. Effects. So this is another way to make your words to be bold. So anyone that you choose, you click on it, it will reflect on what you have on the screen. So this is, if you want it to be written in this color, you click. So we have so many options. You can click below and see them. The one you want, the one you prefer, you click. So this little diamond indicate that it is paid. Well, I prefer to go with this first one, which is this first one. So now we've done that, we've given our text the right size, the right font. Now, the next thing is the positioning. Where do you really want it to be positioned? So anywhere you want it, you can move it to the place. It can be at your right, your left, anywhere. So I'll prefer mine to be at this very place, this upper right. So now you click on templates. Once you click now, we'll go to animations. Animations help to bring life to whatsoever you have written. In other words, it helps the letter to move. It helps the sentence to move. So now, how do you want it to come in? Do you want your sentence to be thrown out? Do you want it to come in the form of typewriting? Do you want it to come in slowly? So this is the work of animation. Animation helps to bring life to the sentences that you have written. So now you choose. There are so different types of animation that are available. So the one that you think you prefer, that matches the vibe, so you just go with it. So for the course of this tutorial, I think let's see the one we'll go with. Okay, I think this time out, just throw out is still okay. Throw out is fine. So now we'll go with this throw out. Then, okay. Our animation is ready, so we'll go with the throughout. Then the next step is to click on this arrow sign to go back. Then click on audio. Allow it to load. Then to open to you, we have extra sound effects. So you click on sound effects. Now we want to add sound. So we have so many options there. We have record, text to audible. Click on sound effects. So sound effects would take us to this place that we are. So we have so many amazing trends. So many amazing sound that we can use. So we have the trending. We have the hits, we have the TikTok, we have so many sounds there. You can see the glitter touch, the impact, the synth transition. So if you want to get quick to it, you can just click on the trendy sound. And you can see we have the camera flash sound, we have the click mouse sound. We have so many beautiful sound here. So many sound. Can see even a comedy music, the whoops win. We have so many amazing sounds. So for you to activate, what you need to do, you just click on that arrow that looks like the download icon button. So it will keep downloading. So after it has fully downloaded, then it's now bring out this plus sign. So now let's go for the trendy sound. We're going to use the trendy sound. So these are the trendy sound options that are available. So now we'll test them and see, so that we can hear the sound and see if it's what we want to go for. So now the next sound is what? Water in the cup. So no, that's not what we want. We don't want that. So now I think I would love to go with okay, let's see this one. Swish wash. Okay. We have the trendy. We have the hits. We have the TikTok, variety show, vlog, ASMR sounds new. We have a whole lot of sound here. Game, documentary, interaction, transitions, physical. All these are sounds that matches what you want to do. So in case you're stuck looking for sound that fits in or that really explain the actions that you want to show, just come to this place and you will see what you want. So now we'll go for trending. Then type in the sound because I know the sound that I'm looking for. So I'll just go to training, go to the search bar and type in. So the sound that I want, the swoosh sound. So after I'm done typing, I click send, then to bring it to this place. So this is the second option. All I need just to click on the plus sign. So I have to delete that one off it. Now I increase to 100. Let's see how it sounds.
How to use ChatGPT.
Wow.
Use ChatGPT.
Wow. Can you see that effect?
Exactly.
Let's
how to
try
use
again.
ChatGPT.
Wow. Yes. So now we'll go for the next. Can see how smooth it is. So now click on that ChatGPT. So now the next word is what? Google Studio AI. So now we'll click on the ChatGPT to trace where the next word starts from. So this is it. This place, you trim it off. So yeah, this is very place. This is where the next word, which is Google. Now go to our hard text. Now we want to add text. Then you type in what you want. Google Studio AI. So this is our next test. because we've already chosen our font, our size, and our style and animation, automatically it will just reflect in the next sentence or words that we want to type. So you can see that you choose the place, the angle, you can put it in the upper right, upper left, lower right, lower left. So any part that you want it to appear, so you would choose it. So here we go. Go to animation. If you want to change your animation, here you can also change it to another. So now we'll still go with our throughout. So now because Google Studio AI, it's kind of long, so you now trace where the next word begins and click on the timeline, then trim it off. Trim off
Google Studio
so that
AI
it will not.
convert your
Okay, now this is where the next word starts from. You click, then we write in our next word, which is convertio. Yeah, convertio. Then fix it in the place where you want it to appear on the screen. Then go to our animation, click on throughout, then that's it. Then also click on the timeline to trim off the excess parts so that it's the next word, it will not cover up the next word. Then click, then trim it off. Then the next is what? Diagram. So diagram, click, you trace where it starts from diagram, then you type in your diagram. Sorry, not digest, I mean diagram AI, yeah. Diagram AI, then move it to the place where you want it to appear on the screen. Then go to your animation. Go to animation. Then, yeah.
And
That's
Diagram
it.
AI.
That's it. Go to and you click on it also. Then trim it off. Click on the timeline, then trim off. So let's see how it goes now.
How to use ChatGPT.
Well, Google
Studio AI.
Okay, let's try it again. You can see the sound, you can see the effects. So now this is it. We've successfully done that. Now we want to add sound to the rest. So now come to this place and type in our swoosh. So we'll repeat the same process that we did for the first word, which was ChatGPT. So you everything the same thing, increase to 100, then go to the next, just like that. You see the sound. This is amazing. You see the sound. You can see. So the same thing you repeat for the rest. All right, so this is me going through the same process. Then you click on the plus button. You go back for the other one. Click on the plus button. Now, wow! You see that? You see the sound? So that's how it is.
And that's how to use CapCut sound effects to make your videos stand out like a pro. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me your favorite sound effects. Until then, stay tuned. Bye bye.